Hello, it's Arthur back with another video. And once you have this that we just made in the last video, once you have this, what you need to do is you need to save it. All right, because you want to have this in case you make a mistake later on. So click File, save as kidney mold. And let's go into our desktop. Kidney mold as well. I made this file just for putting things in. So let's just save it in there. No, that takes so long. Now we're gonna have to save 4 copies of it. Ugh. Save as. Save copy as kidney mold. Top half negative. That's how this is just kind of my naming system. Top half negative. This is going to be the collecting system on the back of the base plate. Oh, I just caught myself. Oh man, we have to draw a square around this first. So, but what we should really do is we should go into here and open up this one, because this is oh, it's already open. Okay, now I feel stupid. Now we will draw a square around it. So sketch rectangle, bing bong, there it goes. You can zoom in and out, and you just draw. You really don't want to waste a lot of materials, so try to make the square fit as good as possible, but for my purposes for this video, it doesn't really matter for me, so I'm just going to draw, a little square like that. Finish sketch, and go to File, and save, so that this will be updated. And now we're going to save 4 copies of this, alright? So File, save as, save copy as. And then will be kidney mold, top half, neg, save, and then we're going to go to File, save as, save copy as, bottom half, neg, then we're going to go File, save as, save copy as, kidney mold, top half, save, and then we're going to go to File, save as, save copy as, bottom half. Then that's pretty good. So now let's open that up. Actually, let's make something. So kidney mold, top half. All right. Let's do it. So here we go, kidney mold top half. Alright. So what you're going to want to do, okay, so we're doing the top half. So for me, for my little naming system, this basically just means this parenchyma imprinted into the little bath, and the calyx parts, those are the top half neg and the bottom half neg. It stands for negative space because it's kind of the imprinting thing. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to calyx for mold. Go to this thing right here, and then you just delete it. And boom, bada bing. It'll say solid bodies 1 because we just deleted the calyx that was inside there. Now you might be wondering, why on earth did we put it inside there if we're just going to delete it? Well, the reason is because we need to have this square. We need to have this square around the collecting system because we're going to extrude a backplate from it. So we need to have the square in the same place for both of them. And I don't know how to measure it, because this is like hideous. So yeah, you know, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna hit extrude, and it does that. So we're gonna extrude in both ways. And we are going to make this distance. We're going to make them both 30. You know, you can make them less if you want to save material. Oh, and by the way, the inches in this thing, you might be wondering, you're like 30 inches. That what on earth? That's not how big a calyx. That's not how big a kidney is, you know. But this thing, it doesn't when you import the mesh, it doesn't convert it from millimeters into inches. So actually, if you want to figure out how to change this template from inches into millimeters, then I think it would be correct. But I don't know how to do that, and I had never bothered to figure out. I just changed the conversion factor with Cura, which is a little bit silly and indirect way, but you know, whatever. So just click OK. And you know what? I also made another mistake. I have made so many mistakes in these videos, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have to go back and redo them. But I told you to save 4 files, and you don't actually need to do that. You don't need to save 4 of them. We can do both halves of the negative thing right here and now. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Combine, and it's wanting the base. This is the base, and then this is going to be the tool body, so click that. And we're going to do a combined cut, so it's going to cut the tool body out of the base. So click OK. And then we are going to use the split tool now. Hit split, and then go down to split solid, and then click this plane right here. This plane that we put in so delicately, and then click OK. And it's loading because it has to do so many intricate calculations. And presto. Now you can see here that there are 2 solid bodies now. This one and this one. This one and this one. Now, let's just make this invisible. And then, if you look at this, it's exactly what we want, except this horrible little arching thing, which we most definitely didn't want. But I forgot to delete, so whatever. Let's just roll with it. Same kind of principle. So go up to here, File, Save As. We're gonna save it as an STL now. So save copy as kidney mold top half. Except we're gonna change this into an STL file. So kidney mold as well. It's gonna be in the same folder. Click Save. And there it goes. Now we're going to make this visible and make solid body 5 invisible. And presto, that's the other half. Look at that. Now we're going to click File, Save As, Save Copy As, kidney mold, bottom half. And you might be wondering, how on earth does that work? You make it invisible, shouldn't it just still print the whole thing? Apparently not. I mean, it works for me. So, yeah. I'm not going to question it at all. Okay, but for the so I lied again. I told you to make, you didn't need to make 4. You actually need to make 3, because we're going to be extruding base plates and whatnot. So go to kidney mold, bottom half negative. Let's do top half negative first. It's a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to delete the parenchyma, because we don't want this. Delete. And it's going to bring up a little screen questioning our decision. Wait, what the heck? What on earth is happening? Oh, we split that. Okay, that's why. Okay, well, why is this still here? I deleted it. Well, you know what? We'll figure this out and we'll come back to another video right now. So, till next time, I'm signing off, Arthur Goyne. See ya.